We're going to cross the right foot over the left and hold. Step left to the side and hold. Cross rock right, recover left, step right to the side and hold. Cross left over right and hold. Step right to the side, hold. Cross rock left, recover right, step left to the side and hold. Third 8 count is going to be a K-step with a quarter turn. So diagonal step with the right, touch and clap with the left, back on the left, touch and clap with the right, right turns to the right, touch and clap with the left, left steps back, right touch and clap. Weights on the left foot. Last 8 count is rock, recover, steps. So we rock right, recover left, step right to the side and hold, rock left back, recover right, step left to the side and hold. Now let's start it again with the count. We're going to do cross for 1, 2, side 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. K, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Rock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. K. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Rock. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7.